Right, so this is a Bulldozer D6C, and the final drive seal is leaking. We've already got the bearing cage off, which we used with those three hooked onto this plate over here. And I had 39mm HT rods with HT nuts and washers made specifically for this, as we couldn't get a set of tools anyway. And we're using the hydraulic cylinder from the dozer itself to try and push it off. I've put the nut on there, and there's only about 1/2 mil between the nut and the end of the shaft, and that's just to keep that ball centered. And yeah, over here we're using the pin over there, and when it's time to pull it back up, it'll go through on the other side, and then I'll have that pin on the other side to pull the shaft back on. I still got to make the collar that goes onto the shaft to pull it back up, and the cylinder we're using usually lives there for the blade. So yeah, that's the setup. And to make sure it pulls evenly, I've measured all three of them from there to there, and they're all within about 1 or 2 in length. So the pull should be fairly straight. The only question is, will the hydraulic cylinder pull it off?